You don't know the power of the dark side.
Oh yes, photo etch. Very, very small photo etch. Roll credits. Right, so let's crack on with this. Now, as you can see, the instructions start with an aircraft catapult assembler that goes on the rear deck that I'm not actually using. That I'm not using. That I will use, but that, because as I say, these I'm having to build the kit so far, then come back to the photo etch side of things. But at the state of the build I'm at now, there's a lot of delicate stuff to go on these masts, railings, all on the outside. So what I've decided to do is work from the inside now, outwards and lengthways. So I'm not having stuff sort of here to catch when I pick it up. It's all very delicate. So that said, the first thing I'm going to deal with is anchor chains. On the kit, where's my pointer? On the kit, there are anchor chains molded into the plastic. I've shaved them down as much as I can because this kit, the photo etch, comes with anchor chains that they are flat, I'll grant you, but they are a little bit more sort of 3D. So I'm going to start on one of them. I'm going to get the middle one there done, and not 100% certain how I'll do it, but I'll just crack on. So I'll get that done, let you have a look at that. Okay, that's the first anchor chain on, stuck and in place. And to say it's a fairly simple process, I mean, all I had to do was like stick it in that hole, wrap it around there, put it out there, push it down that hole, stick it again. It was quite a tricky thing to do. So I'm going to get the other two done and we'll be right back. And there we have it, all three anchor chains, all in position, all glued in, and if I say so myself, they're looking pretty nice. Even though I said they may look a little flat with them being photo etched, but looking at the video, they don't. That's really nice. I'm glad with how that's turned out. It was quite tricky to actually do, bearing in mind it should have been a fairly simple task, as I think I mentioned before. Just in the hole, bend it around there, bring it back, stick it down that hole, stick it in position, and it's done. No fancy bending or folding. So let's have a look at the next part of this. Right, as I said, I'm going to start from sort of this middle part of the deck, work outwards and acrossways. And so the next part of this I'm going to deal with is boat number 49, which fits there. It's not helping the fact that from the instructions to the kit I've got it the wrong way around. Anyway, so to fit this boat, what they've given you on the photo etch just move you out a little bit. Are these cradles. I've already painted them up in a coat of dark grey, and you can see also there are oars there and rudders that I need to fit to some of the boats, not all of them. The trick is, if I show you the instructions, you need to know your boats, because if I was, let me see that. You see, it just gives you the name of the boat itself. It doesn't give you like the part number for the kit. So I've got to work out which of these cradles belong to which piece of plastic on the boat. It's going to take some working out. So I'm going to go away, do that. Once I've sorted out what I'm doing, I should actually film that doing it. Otherwise, I'm going to worry that this video will be like 4 hours of me staring at the kit, staring at these instructions, staring at the photo etch instructions, scratching my head, trying to work out what I need to put where. So I'll be back when I'm ready to glue some photo etch to some plastic and show you how that's going on. Right, after possibly 2 weeks now, since you saw me put these chains on at the start of this video, all I've managed to get done working on and off, and I'm going to be honest, you're going to struggle to see what I've actually done, because it's not much, which is one of the frustrations of working with photo etch this small. These two boats are on the stands. This is a kit part. That is a crane, so I put some rigging wire on there to represent it being a crane. The same, you can just see the other one on the other side poking out. These searchlights, believe it or not, these teensy things took me almost 2-3 hours to do, and there is 6 of them to be fair, but I had to make the inner lens kind of look silvered. There's a small piece of photo etch, I think you can just see like a kind of a crosshair that goes on the front. Then I've covered it in the glazing crystal clear type stuff to make it look like it's glass. Installed it. These funnel caps, whatever you want to call them, funnel meshes. You can tell I don't build ships a lot. And a couple of searchlights there. If we can focus, come on. There we go. There we don't go. There we go. As you can see, it's not a lot of kind of visible progress. So I'm going to put this to one side somewhat. I do believe there's sort of the glacial speed of building this was why it kind of stalled in the first place. So I'm going to put this to one side because I've got other projects I really want to start to crack on with. And this is just taking up a massive amount of time for little visible progress, as I've just said. So I'm going to leave it here. Let's pull out. It's not looking too bad though, to be fair. Overall, happy with how it's going. Just it's very slow, which in turn isn't going to make an exciting video. So HMS Hood is not on the back burner. It's not stalled, but it is going to slow down. Probably another video about this won't be seen for a while, if I'm going to be completely honest. So there we go. I'm going to leave it there. Hope you like it, and God bless photo etch. It's supposed to be fun. Never forget that. If you enjoyed the videos you've just watched, here's another video you might want to watch, a playlist you might want to watch also. And please don't forget to, if you have enjoyed it, leave me a like and maybe a subscribe. I would much appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.